In C# programming language, there are different types of operators are used. So let's discuss one by one. So the first one is arithmetic operators. Second one is assignment operator, comparison operators, and logical operators. So now we are going to discuss arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, and division. So these are the arithmetic operators available in C#. So the first one is plus, which is used for addition, which adds together two values, and this is the syntax for it, x plus y. Then second one is subtraction operator. So it will subtract one value from another, and this is the syntax, that is x minus y. The next one is multiplication operator, which is used to multiply two values, x into y. So the next one is division operator, which divides one value by another. The modulus operator will return the division remainder, and the syntax is x mod y. The next one is increment operator. So we can increment the value of any variable with the help of plus plus operator, which is also called as increment operator, which increases the value of a variable by 1, and syntax is x plus plus. The next one is decrement operator, which is similar to increment operator, which will decrease the value of variable by 1, that is x minus minus. So let's understand this with the example. So in class program, I have declared one method, static void main, which is the entry point of the console application. After that, I have declared two integer type variables, x and y. The x value is 5 and y value is 3. In console.writeLine method, I am adding x and y with the help of plus operator or addition operator, x plus y. Similarly, we are printing on console x minus y, x into y, x divided by y, x mod y. This is increment operator. So last one is also increment operator. But what is the difference between x plus plus and plus plus x? So it is called post increment and it's called as pre-increment. So console.writeLine method will print the value of x and then increment the value of x. So output would be 5 only over here. But in case of console.writeLine plus plus x, it will increment the value of x first and then write the output on console. So this would be the output of each writeLine method. So here x plus y is 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the next one is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then x into y, that is 15. X divided by y, that is 5 divided by 3, that is nothing but 1. Then mod would be 2. Then as I told you, this is post increment. So value of x would be print first and then increment the value of x by 1. So output would be 5 only. But here we are using pre-increment. So value would be 7. Because here value of x was 5, after plus plus increment it will become 6, and due to pre-increment it will become 7. So that's why it is printing 7. So let's understand this with the help of code. So let's debug the application. So here x is 5, y is 3, and x plus y. You can also check with the help of quick watch. So the value would be 8, x plus y. It is the statement we are added in quick watch. After that, x minus y. Then console, we can go to the console. The first statement had print 8 value for addition, then 2 for subtraction. X into y, that is 15. Yes, it is 15. x mod of y is 1. After that, value of x is 5. But after that, we are incrementing the value. So here the value is 5. That's why it will print 5 only. But after that, x becomes 6 now because we have incremented value by 1 with the help of post increment. So now value of x is 6. Now we are pre-incrementing the value of x. So it will become 7. So yes, it will print 7 on console.